back after the hurricane, just to check things out. We were very lucky. The hurricane Ian came in Port Charlotte, so we were spared the brunt of it. We actually had a negative storm surge, which means that all the water came out of the bay and out of the river instead of getting over flooded. So we got the opposite of what Fort Myers did. So I'm just kind of doing a walkthrough to show you what how the marina fared. Well, it seems our derelict boat that I showed you is still floating, and it's still here. So it probably wasn't too bad. I can see some shredded sails. Really not a lot of damage here at the marina. At least, you know, it doesn't look like we fared pretty good. Hey, that's the dock I'm in, K-Dock. I can see towels and clothing hanging out, so some people spend some time here. That sail shred, which means it came loose. That's from a neighbor's boat. So it looks like we did pretty good. All right. Reverie is still in one piece. Our sail is still wrapped and tight. Same with the main. Our solar panels are still attached. Doesn't seem to have any hull damage of any kind. That stayed attached, which I'm totally surprised. I thought that would have gone flying with the high winds, but I guess it's low enough that it didn't create drag. All the lines are still intact. Let me do a quick check on the interior. Well, all our covers are still tied up. Don't see any damage on the panels. Frame's still holding nice and tight. Well, looks like there's a little rock and rolling inside. There's not a whole lot, just a couple things knocked over. But everything seems to be fine. Just a little bit of water, probably from rain coming down the mast. That's dry. Okay. No leaks anywhere, at least no new ones. All right, so we look good. I'm very thankful to God for not keeping our boat safe and keeping our home safe, and also didn't suffer any damage. So we're very happy about that. So tomorrow I'll come back and get working on putting Reverie back together, hooking shore power, and getting things kind of back on track. So that's a quickie update. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please click on the link below and subscribe to our channel. We're sharing all of our refit and other adventures with Reverie, and we love to share all that with you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll give you another update after we get Reverie put back together. So see you guys later.